Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, we are gathered here to celebrate World Teachers Day. The light of the world, the beacon of the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Respect and honor all human beings irrespective of their religion, color, sex, race, language, status, property, profession, birth, and so on. Moving forward, we would like to call Mr. Hassan for the holy recitation. MashaAllah. Welcome tableau. We dance for laughter. We dance for tears. We dance for madness. We dance for fears. We dance for hopes. We dance for screams. We are the dancers. We create the dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our little fairies for the welcome tableau. Outstanding. So a round of applause for the splendid performance of our cute little fairies, please. Real life is said to be messy, whereas drama the shaped version of the life. It happens in big places and also in small ones. So the drama is an essential part of life. You have to come on with a bang. You never want to go out with a whimper. Everything can have drama if it's done right, even a pancake. With that being said, we would like to call Miss Hina Arshad and her group on the stage for the drama in the honor of respected teachers. Round of applause for them, please. Thank you. It's mind-blowing performance. Indeed, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. A teacher affects eternity and brings out the best in a student. Teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. In the honor of the respected teacher, we would like to introduce Miss Arfa Malik, who is going to talk about the dignity of teachers. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to appreciate her. Now a big round of applause for the one who neither cares about night nor day, who is always volunteered to burn the midnight oil when it comes to equality education for our kids. Indeed, he is none other than Mr. Amir Naseem. So it is my honor more than a pleasure to welcome the respected principal, Mr. Amir Naseem. Thank you, sir. We appreciate your hard work and sincerity towards this academy.